So I am going to find the slope of the line, and I'm going to use a method I call the triangle method, where I'm going to find 2 points that hit the graph. So one point I'm going to look for here is, I like nice easy points, so it looks like here it crosses perfectly there. So I'm going to make that point on the line, and then let's see, I want to spread it out, so maybe somewhere down here I'm going to say, oh, maybe about here, okay, this point down here. So I'm going to take these 2 points, and then what I have to do is I'm going to just draw straight over here, so straight over there, and then I'm going to draw straight down here. And what I want to do is I want to find the difference in the y, or the height between these 2 points, and the difference in the x. So this is up here at 360, and the bottom of it is down at 40. So the difference between 360 and 40 is 360 minus 40. So 360 minus 40. So this is a 320, and my unit is grams, so 320 grams. Now I'm going to do the same for x. I'm going to look down here, and again, this is why I like finding these right on a line. This is 170, because I kind of went straight down here, so this is 170 cubic centimeters. And here I have, it comes right down between those two, so this one, I know even spacing, 10, 20. So I'm going to say this looks like about 15 cubic centimeters. So I'm going to take 170 minus 15. Actually, I'm going to do that in red so it stands out a little bit better. So that's going to give me 155 when I subtract 170 minus 15. It's going to give me 155 cubic centimeters. And so now to find the slope is the change in y over the change in x. My y is mass, so it's 320 grams, over the change in x, and that's the volume, and it's 155 cubic centimeters. When I punch this in my calculator, I'm going to get about 2.06, which I'm just going to round to 2.1. The unit on top is grams, the unit on the bottom is cubic centimeters. Or I could do 2.1 grams per cubic centimeter, okay, per every cubic centimeter. So that is finding the slope. And that is what I call the triangle method.